Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, and to this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve a really hot smoky eye. So to get started, I am doing my brows and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I'm just outlining my brows and then filling them in. And to clean them up, I go in with the Juvia's concealer in number 13.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highway.
For the eyeshadow base, I use the Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner, and I'm putting that all over my lids. And then I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette, and I'll be using Edges and Ginger to blend out the black. And then I'm going into the Maybelline The Nudes palette to use that black eyeshadow to set the black gel liner.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the highways, and on we'll
And for my face, I used a serum all over my face, and then I went ahead and used the Maybelline Master Prime in number 400. I used the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and I just sprayed my face before I blended it out with the beauty sponge.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
For concealer, I used the Lancome concealer. I will have the color in the description box. And I also used the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the number 08 to color correct. And the Lancome concealer I used to highlight.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
wanted a little bit more highlight, so I went in with the concealer from Tarte, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I will also have the number in the description box below. For contour, I use this Maybelline Super Stay foundation stick. I will have the color in the description box, and I just applied that on my forehead, my cheekbones, and I used the beauty blender to blend it out. And then I went in with the Fit Me loose powder and number 20, which is light to medium, and to set my concealer. To set my contour, I used this dark brown shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I also went in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder to just smooth over like my face all over. And I went ahead with the NYX bronzer. Check the description box, you guys, for the colors, and just to set on my bronzer, add some bronze to my face. For blush, I used the Saharan Volume 1 palette, and I used the color Toby.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it, and also leave a comment for me down below. And also don't forget to check the description box for all the information. Alright, thank you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.
Turns the sun rays and